Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get an elite player using daily training points in FIFA Mobile. So the elite player is the player that have 80 plus OVR base play. 80 plus best OVR player. That's an elite. The red one. For example, I want to show you in my team player. Oh, I don't have the. I have a gold one, but not the elite one. For example, the red one. Let's search by OVR rating. Maximum is 85, for example. So this one is an elite player. The red one. So you can get this player type from daily training with daily training points. So tap the live events and do this challenge or live event every day, and so you can get these points that you can redeem the pack. Let's go to this one elite player. So this pack contain two elite player that 80 plus of your best. And also let's get back to homepage. You can do that in store. Also get to the store, tap to event shop, and tap to resources. This one, daily training pack 5. So you need this point 90 point to get to elite player. So do this daily training live event every day to get the point and redeem reward packs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.